So we are now currently in
Botanical
Garden Aviary.
Yeah, aviary,
And,
and we're looking at the parrots.
We are now
Parrots.
looking at the parrots.
There's
Apparently
a
this
lot of
parrot,
types, but there's only two types that talk: sit and
Rocky, Sid and Rocky.
Apparently they're doing, I don't know, something
They refuse to talk, so we refuse to get up from here.
until they talk.
Yeah. No, but actually we're tired.
We're just sitting
We're
down,
just sitting down,
chilling.
Yeah, this. Okay.
We'll just let them try and make them talk, make Sid and Rocky talk.
Yeah. There are like 2, 3 other people that come pass by and try to talk, to make the birds talk.
But they won't.
They won't talk.
Just yet.
We believe that if we wait long enough, the parrot will open their heart to us.
To say some words.
Say
lunch hour ni.
lunch hour. Yeah, now even this makcik also give up already.
Lunch hour. I just want to talk.
They want to talk.
We're gonna stay here and talk. Talk some. But not exactly. We're going to the op shop.
We need to go to the op shop. That's Rocky.
Sid.
Now let's try this again. So apparently, you could say this, hello, have a cup of tea, what have you been doing lately? He was born here on the 7th of December, 1987. It's like 3 years older than us. He's gone! Dude! He's gone. Hello, Sid! Sid! Okay, the one here is Rocky. He's like over there, I don't know if you can see. He's scrounging the ground. Ah, hello. Hello there. Hello. Hello. Sit. Dude. Come on. Come on. I came all the way from Malaysia to see you, and you won't say hello to me? Hello. Selamat pagi, selamat tengah hari, selamat petang. If you don't understand, Say something. Not opening up your heart to us. Hello, Dolly. Hello, Rocky. Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss.
With a try.
Yeah, with a try. So, op shop.
Yeah. What is it now, anyways?
140, almost 2. Thing is, we need to meet up with Young at 3
in Modex. We gotta go to op shop because there's like wonderful places there. Oh, actually like 5 items. Okay, post for this camera. Post for this camera.
Yeah. Okay. So later on we'll give a report on the op shop.
Okay. 1, 2.